July 8th, 2014, current time 10:33 GMT. Jay Mosley here with the Daily Forex Trading Outlook. Week started as a slow note as we expected. As I pointed out over the weekend, if you watch my video, the key level in the euro dollar is around 135.75. It's a confluence of points, 200-day moving average, 61.8% retracement, and a chart point. Which I'll show you in a second. It bounced off it yesterday, but has not gone far on the upside. Most of the action in the euro dollar has been in euro sterling, and the range today has been just about 20 pips. Yesterday was not that much more, 33 pips. So the euro dollar's kind of on the sideline. It's traded the big figure 136 3 days in a row. Risk is tilted down, but it's still midway between that 135 and 137 range. It would have to take out 135.76 to put that 135 figure to 50 area back on the radar. If not, as long as we trade around 136, we'll stay in our range. Once that's broken, it'll suggest some sort of directional move. No real data coming out of the U.S. today, so we have to watch stocks. And we'll take a quick look at charts. If you look at the daily chart, 134.75 to 135.03 is the key level. On the upside, it's 137. That's how you get that 135 to 137 range. If you go to the 4-hour chart, you can see here I'm sorry. I'll draw this line in a second. I'm sorry for this. There we go. You can see where that 134.75 comes from. Similarly, on the daily chart, on the 1-hour chart, we'll do the same thing. I'm sorry, it's 135.75. You can see here again where that comes from. Held here. And now we're back in this 130. Right today is basically 134, 590 to 136.10. Now, as far as 136.10 goes, this is interesting. You draw this on the 1-hour chart. Look how this is held here. Since going back to really the 3rd of July, when we broke down here. So you got 136.10 on top. You have 134.575 on the bottom. Everything else in between is noise. Most of the actions in euro sterling, and little incentive unless you could take out this level. The 100-hour moving average is interesting, and I would use that as a focal point. And that comes down today at 136.15. So the minimum that would have to be taken out. The 20-day moving average is 135.99. That's why 136 seems to be the pivotal level. The onus is on the bull side to try to take out 136.10. If not, the risk stays on 135.75. But for today, it's low expectations. But those are the times you have to be most alert. And just a word about trading in tight ranges. When the ranges are tight, small moves can really feel exaggerated. You got a 20 pip move and it moves 10 pips. It feels like it's 100 pips. Just keep that in mind. Now, so how do you trade these summer markets? Well, let me tell you, I wrote an article yesterday, how to trade a Forex summer market. If you want to know how to trade this summer market, just click on this link right here. It's embedded. You'll read my article. It's really worth reading. And you'll see some clues on how to trade this market that we're in currently. Good luck, good trading, and we'll see you tomorrow.